Hey guys, welcome back to today's stock deep dive. And today I'm talking about one stock, and this food stock might surge up and start a bull run after a correction, which I suspect is ending, right? And this stock is CAG. The stock symbol is CAG, but I'm going to go deep dive into it fundamentally and technically just to show you why I think that it is going to move much higher also. And of course, a slight introduction about myself, right? Okay, I'm a full-time trader for more than 10 years, and I've been trading the markets for more than 20 over years, and I've worked with 20 over thousand traders and investors all over the world, and also founder of winningtrader.com, and also the author of Trading Secrets book, right? Okay, and this book contains the insights I have gained through my 20 over years of trading and investing the markets. So if you do want to get a free copy of this book, then do register for my free workshop through the link on your screen. And you could actually learn the strategy behind my trading, right? How I pick stocks, how I analyze that it is going to go higher or go lower in terms of any financial markets as well, right? Okay, so do check it out, and let's jump into CAG, right? Okay, Conagra Brands, right, is a major American consumer packaged food company that owns and sells wide variety of well-known food brands, right? Okay, focusing on delivering convenient, delicious, and often iconic products for everyday meals and snacks, right? Okay, and frozen dinners like Marie calendars, right? Healthy choice, and so on, right? Okay, but overall the stock symbol is CAG, right? Okay, so what's the business model of CAG, right? Corporation is a food maker, right? It's a big food company based in Chicago, which sells packaged foods. How it makes money from brands? It earns cash by selling its brands to stores and people who buy the food for home use, right? Key part of the business is that it has a food service part that sells to restaurants and big buyers like schools and institutions as well, right? Okay, and it focuses on change and growth. CAG works to make its brand better by listening to what buyers like, right? Okay, and it's adding new items as well, right? Okay, and why do I think CAG will surge after a correction? And I think the correction is over soon, right? It's still ongoing, but I think it's over soon. But I will jump into the charts and explain to you why I think it this way, right? CAG expects AI to unlock significant value, right, which is good news. And CAG future of frozen food, right, review trends shaping a $93 billion industry, right? Okay, so what are the bull cases for CAG to go much higher, right? Deep undervaluation, right? Okay, fundamentally offers a very good upside, right? Okay, it trades at 38% below its true, and it has a high dividend cash flow stability, right? The 8% yield is safe due to steady money from staple foods, right? Because it sells food, right? The revenue and the income is quite stable and is able to pay a high dividend payout to shareholders, which is great news, right? This is a stock where if you want to go for high dividend collecting high dividend, this could be one of the stock, right? Okay, and growth in key areas like frozen and snacks, right? Okay, frozen sales lead double-digit gains, right, in protein items, and AI will unlock big savings and better work, right? And this should help them to be more efficient, right? And this will give them more savings as well, right? Okay, so what are the bad cases? Weak demand in food services, right, hurts their big buyers like restaurants, right? Okay, high cost and margin squeeze. I would say this is happening around the world, not just for them, right? Okay, and also debt and cash flow risk, right? High debt from past buys like Pinnacle could make the balance sheet weak. I would say this is just temporary, right? Okay, and sooner or later it will be ironed out as well, right? And another key thing is that private labels are taking their market share also, right? As people seek cheaper options, right? Okay. But these are the fundamental bull and bear cases to see whether you will go up or down. But I typically use, like I say, technical analysis based on using my proprietary trade to win strategy to analyze technically whether it's going to go up and or down, right? And why do I think so, right? Okay, I'm going to be sharing that with you in a while, right? Okay, after this slide. But very importantly, if you want to learn my trade to win strategy, do go to for our free training. The link is on your screen, right? In the free training, I will teach you how to improve your manual analysis by incorporating the trade to win strategy into your technical analysis, right? Okay. So, but without further ado, let's jump into CAG, right? We are right now at the daily time frame, and we can see that it is having a steady move down, right? Very steady, right? Keep on going lower and lower and lower, right? Why I think that this stock is going to surge up? Because it's slightly oversold in the short term based on the weekly time frame, right? Okay, so it might start to rebound soon, right? And the keyword is soon. It might not rebound so soon also, right? Okay, yeah. So it might hit a new low, right? Okay, but the way I see it is already oversold and due for a rebound, right? Okay, but current price point is really, I would say, pretty good to start thinking about accumulating in anticipation for the end of this correction, especially right now in the short term is oversold, right? Okay, and it could be bouncing up because of this scenario, right? Okay, and basically this is of course on the longer term side it is also pretty much oversold. So whether I'm banging on technically it is oversold to bounce back up to 20, 22 or even $24 or slightly above, right? Okay. And but like I say again, it could go a bit lower before bouncing up. So you might need to do your own due diligence. But I definitely already start accumulating on this stock, right? Okay, because it has hit more than $40 in a few years back, right? Okay, so it is still possible for you to just bounce back up and start a long-term uptrend as well, right? Okay, but right now I do see the long-term correction is ending soon, right? Even the short-term wise is oversold and due for a rebound. And due to all these factors, I am pretty sure, right, starting to accumulate on this stock is pretty good, right? And like I say again, this is based on technical analysis using my trade to win strategy. If you are interested, then go to my free training, right, to learn more about my trade to win strategy, right? Okay, and if you want to get daily market updates, right, definitely go to winningtrader.com/updates. And of course, if you want to get daily action steps from us, also go to winningtrader.com/newsletter to join our mailing list, and also subscribe and like our videos, right? So that more people get to know of all the stocks that we share with you and profit together as a big group, right? As a community, right? Okay. And I will end here. May the profits be with you, and trade and invest with passion. I'll see you soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.